Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error in Marvel Rivals, a 99% loading error. The first thing you need to understand is why this happens. This is a network error. Something is happening with your network that is not allowing your computer to access the Marvel Rivals servers. So we have to go and fix that. There are a couple of different methods. Try them all one by one to see which one works. The first one, try to use a VPN if you have one. That does seem to help a lot of people. I'm not going to show you how to go and get one. The second method is to try to switch your DNS to Cloudflare. So press the Windows button plus I. Go to Network and Internet on the left hand side. For here, I'm on Ethernet, so I'm going to click on Ethernet. But if you're on Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi, depending on what you're connecting to. Now from here, you want to click on the DNS server assignment. You see the edit button right here. You want to switch this from automatic to manual. You want to turn on IPv4 to on. The preferred DNS, that is 1.1.1.1. And the alternate DNS is 1.0.0.1. And save it. And now try again to see if that fixed your issue. The next thing that seems to be causing the problem for many people is a Steam overlay. So if you're launching on Steam and you have an overlay enabled, open up Steam, open up Marvel Rivals, go to the in-game tab. Right click on it and go to properties. And right here you're gonna see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Turn this off and make sure that it is off. The next thing you want to do is run a speed test. Oh my god, I have so many things open. A speed test, so you want to go to speedtest.net or something similar, and then trying the speed test to see if your connection is actually stable. If there are problems connecting at this point, again, try the VPN as noted above. The next thing you want to do is allow your Marvel Rivals through the firewall or antivirus software. So press Windows S and type in Windows Defender Firewall. This should come up. And from here, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And you have to find Marvel Rivals. It's right here. You want to click on this. You want to click on change settings, click on this, click on details, and click on OK. So basically you want to make sure that this is allowed through the firewall. Check both of the boxes, both private and public. Hit add, then hit OK. And the next step, you want to close unnecessary background processes. So press Control Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, which is open by default. Right click on the unnecessary processes, for example Chrome, Discord, etc, etc. Maybe you don't need this, or I don't know what this is. Right click on it and say End Task, and leave only essential system processes and Steam and Marvel Rivals running to see if that works. The next method, if you're running Marvel Rivals from something outside of Steam, I would recommend using Steam. You can open Steam even if you can launch a game through Steam even if you don't have it installed on your Steam. How you do that, so open Steam, go to Library, you can find Marvel Rivals list, and you can click on Play, and then you can click on Play within Steam, and basically you can add a game onto Steam. You can click right here, add a non-Steam game. And you can launch the game, you can add it here, you can launch it through Steam. This does seem to help for some people. Give it a try, why not? And the last method, if you don't want to use a VPN and you're still having problems connecting, I recommend this software called ExitLag. This is basically a hyper VPN. It reduces lag in games online. It is made for competitive games, and it is made for games like Counter-Strike or Call of Duty that require very low ping. Okay, when you have ExitLag up and running, this is what it looks like. You can basically put specific games in here. As you can see, I have Marvel Rivals in here. I have Path of Exile 2. It will tell me my ping. For Path of Exile 2, this is 5 ping. On the lower side, it's even 3 ping. You can run a network analyzer to analyze your network. This is also very good if you're having issues like this issue from Marvel Rivals. So give it a try. I actually have 3 free codes for 1 week. I'm gonna give away right after this. And here you can see that it analyzes your network. It shows your upload, download speed. You can use FPS boost. It'll boost your FPS on any game, and then you can add games such as Marvel Rivals. Here I have it added to Asia, then I have it apply the routes, and it finds servers nearest to where you live to lower lag. It's very good. Okay, so if you want a free code, so right here are 3 codes, each good for 7 days. You can just put the codes in here and put them into the redeem code into your own Exit Lag account. I'm putting a link to Exit Lag in the first comment and the video description below, so be sure to check it out. Okay, have a good one. I hope this helps you.